Want to create an animated GIF in seconds? Here's how to do it using Adobe Firefly. Start by opening firefly.adobe.com. Go to the video section, then click Generate Video. First, choose the AI model you'd like to use. Next, select the video quality, aspect ratio, and duration that work best for your project. Now upload the reference image you'd like to animate. Once your image is uploaded, write a prompt describing the motion you want to create. The more specific your prompt is, the better the generated result will be. When everything is ready, click Generate and wait for Firefly to create your video. Once the video is finished, download it to your device. Now go back to the Adobe homepage and scroll all the way down until you find Adobe Express. Open Adobe Express and select Quick Actions, then choose Convert to GIF. Upload the video you just created in Firefly. Adobe Express will automatically convert it into a GIF for you. Before exporting, you can adjust the quality settings to find the right balance between file size and image quality. Once you're happy with the result, download your GIF. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you can create an animated GIF from a single image using Adobe Firefly and Adobe Express.